Hi everyone, this is Sushma Jain and I'm coming all the way from Kolkata to attend this 8-day course on innermost shift coaching from Alpha Stars. Uh, my association with Sir and Ma'am has not just begun 8 days back. It's been about 2.5, 3 years that I've done my practitioners and my master's course in NLP, and ever since they've been, a coach, a guide, a mentor, everything to me. I've already been a little into coaching stuff, yes, with their guidance only, and have been doing a lot of therapy work also using the practitioner and the master practices. What brought me here was a lot of, force from ma'am, I would say, that no, Sushma, you have to do it. And then it was a choice also I had to make at that point of my life. Because I think all of us, at one point, we are at a stage where we have to make that one choice in our life. It is this or this, okay? And sometimes we keep on talking to ourselves. I'll talk it self-talk, and self-talk is more of, negative and less of positive. So NLP practices, of course, it did change a lot of relations in my life, the way I would speak with my husband, my interaction with my mother-in-law, then my workplace, definitely my children, I see them, my younger ones especially, picking up the NLP strategies naturally, So he, most of the time I find him using NLP strategies. So sir said one day when I shared with him, Sushma, he's actually modeling you. Then I realized, yes, how naturally a parent can pass this stuff into the child. Then about my coaching practices. This is one point in my life that I took a choice that yes, I want to take this forward. So irrespective of whatever I left behind, I can always put it as an excuse. घर छोड़ के आए हैं, काम छोड़ के आए हैं, बच्चे छोड़ के आए हैं, and that we can go on and on with, throughout our lives. So this one change, that got me here for 8 days is a big change, not just to my life, but also to my circle of people, And if we have a vision in our mind to have an extended family and continue growing that extended family, I think such choices help. So my message is, wonderful people, wonderful trainers, and with their energy, somehow all the classes have been same. The practitioner course, the master course, these 8 days, and Pooja smiling there at the back. It's about the radiance, the energy of the class that takes you through right from day one to the, I mean, we are almost finally closing the session, but it's like a new beginning. And believe me, ma'am and sir and the entire team is always there. So it's not a system where you come for the course, get certified and go back. The journey begins from here, from today. Thank you.